What's up, Rebel Nation? Andy McCabe here, your Restoration Rebel leader, hanging out with the good folks at Emergency Packout Co. Nice looking trucks they got here. Let me see if I can get my big head out of the way. Look at that. Oh, and there's another one, and there's another one. Also the home of emergency storage. Hey, you can tell a lot about a company, about how they measure success. And so I'm hanging out here in the office, getting ready to write an estimate. And I say, what's the Wi-Fi? What's the Wi-Fi code here? And they said, without hesitation, we love hugs. I'm like, yeah, I get that, but what's the Wi-Fi code? And they said, no, seriously, it's we love hugs. So I put that in and it worked. And then I was like, what's that about? And you know what? One of their KPIs, one of the indicators that the job was done well and finished and correctly, is the lead technician or lead mover, whatever they call them, I'm not sure what they call them, has a picture with the insured, with the homeowner, getting a hug or a handshake, no matter, it depends on what you're used to. So, and I said, really? And they said, yeah, you haven't seen the hug wall? I'm like, no, show me the hug wall. So we came over here. Let me see if I can flip the camera. Let me see if I can flip it. Nope, can't flip the camera. So right here is the hug wall. I don't know if these are the hugs that didn't make it into the files, but they said as part of closing a job, a picture of the hug goes in the file. And I said, you know what? That's awesome. That is indicative of a company that has their heart in the right place, their head in the right place, and knows who their client is. It's rare in this time, this day and age, where you have a company that a hug of satisfaction is part of the KPI, the indices that indicate a job well done. And I just got to say, way to go, guys. Job well done. That was awesome. Keep it up. Who else out there? I know of one insurance company where their adjusters are judged on customer feedback, not about files claimed or how long claims stay open or anything like that. They're judged on what the customer has to say about the job they did for them at the end of the claim. I think we can learn something from Emergency Packout Co. And PIMCO is the other insurance company that their adjusters are judged on what their clients said or felt. That's just awesome. So you guys have a great end of your week. Take care.